Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use Fiverr um, search research keyword research tool to actually check for other gigs. So on your page you should appear this way. You can click on either of these keyword research or these top keywords or keyword research, but the truth is that it is in the sellers program, and the sellers program is a top tier Fiverr program for sellers, where you it's just a premium version of the normal Fiverr accounts you have with them, which means you'll be paying a designated amount of fee, and you'll be giving some uh, tools and special treatments. So once you click on it, it should take you to a page like this, and then you can go scroll down and see all the benefits and advantages of this particular program. But since we want to actually check for our gigs, there's a better way to do all of this. So, and what you have to do is to go to your Google Chrome and search for this keyword Fiverr Quick View. So I've gone ahead to install this Quick View. It should appear this way. So let's just go ahead and test it. So okay, good. So you can just, let me just start from the beginning. What you want to do from your account is to, once you're here, click on your profile picture here, click on switch to buying. Once you click on switch to buying, it should take you to a page like this, and then you can go ahead and choose any of this niche here. So let's assume we want to offer an AI service. Click on AI service. Like, we want to actually see the AI services trending, or we want to buy an AI service. We can just click on the AI service, then add AI with the help of experts. Good. This is already giving me something else. Okay, this is not what I expected, but um let me just choose a very generic one. Let's say writing. Good. So yes, I can click on this ghost writing, and then all I have to do is to wait for it to give me it should create something here where I get to see the trending keyword in this particular niche. Okay, this is it, Fiverr Quick View. So all you have to do is to go to Google Chrome and search for this particular phrase Fiverr Quick View, then add it to your Chrome. You will be taken to a page like this, tally.so/r blah blah blah, and then you just click in your write your name and your email address, and then it should automatically sync up with the Fiverr account you have. The email address should be the one that is connected to your Fiverr, and then it should be like this. So you see the trending keyword for each of the Fiverr um, gigs you are viewing, and then that's it, guys. That's just it. You'd really enjoy working with or using this particular extension. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And please guys, subscribe uh for more please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.